Nana I ke kumu ho I ka mole a pa'a ki ka hua le ho. E hui ka langai ha ukura hi papa e hoi hanga no vau hoi hau I tahi tua mo ola I leila hana no vau e papa ki hoi mai ne vau e papa ki hoi mai ne Mama ke hoi mai nei e papa ke hoi mai nei nana I ke pulu hoi ka mole ha pa'a ki ka hua hale ho Aloha mai kākou, mai ko uku I a ka hala vai. Aloha, ni hao. We are the group Mana, hailing from the beautiful land of Hawaii. And that first song was a song entitled E Mama, a song that talks about reconnecting with their mother tongue and with their culture. And on this next song, we'd like to feature